Okay, here we are again for another Afterimage challenge where I'm trying to turn photographs out of songs, albums, lyrics, that sort of thing. And today's effort is going to involve two things, one of which is this bad fella here, and the other one is going to be this, which may give the game away somewhat. The difficulty with this particular challenge is that this said watermelon was a lot more expensive than I thought. So I was going to get two, maybe even three, so I'd have some variation on the way it looked if it explodes the way I'd like it to. But because that was a lot more expensive than I anticipated, I'm going to have to try and make it work in one shot, but we'll be using a little bit of trickery along the way. So let's see if this idea in my brain turns into anything resembling the final picture I'm after. Like a scene from a Dave Grohl movie. $20 well spent. That's a wrap.